Today we will take another look at some more uses of get. This is a 5-part video series and this is the final video, video 5 of 5. Today we are going to look at some more advanced uses of get. So we're going to look at get as a causative. So when we talk about a causative, we mean that the subject either causes someone or something to do something or causes a change in something. For example, to get a haircut. So I did not cut my own hair, I got my hair cut. So using this structure is similar to the passive voice, okay? It emphasizes that somebody else did something for me, okay? And the focus here is that it's not important who did the cutting, okay? I got my hair cut. Who cut my hair? It's not important. Maybe it was a hairdresser, maybe it was my friend. It's not important. The focus is on the fact that I have a new haircut, okay? I got my hair cut. I got my wisdom teeth taken out. Again, this is similar to the passive voice. It's not important who took out my teeth. In fact, it's obvious. It was obviously a dentist that took out my teeth because teachers don't take out teeth, barmen don't take out teeth usually. So I got my wisdom teeth taken out, obviously by a dentist, okay? So in this sense, we use get plus the object plus the past participle to indicate that we have paid somebody to do something for us. We sometimes use this same structure, get plus object plus past participle, to talk about personal achievements. For example, I got all my homework done. And occasionally we use this same structure, get plus object plus past participle, to describe a situation where the subject does not cause the action, but instead is the unwilling victim. For example, I got my bag stolen. This structure is generally used with verbs associated with crime. We can also use get as a causative to talk about an arrangement, sometimes by persuasion or bribery. For example, I get my son to do his homework by promising him ice cream. So that's a good example of persuasion or bribery. He is too shy to talk to attractive girls, so he gets his friend to start the conversation. Again, he elicits the help of a friend by persuasion in order to achieve his goal. In this sense, get plus person plus full infinitive is used for services that we acquire with persuasion rather than money. Sometimes we can use this structure and replace the person for a thing. For example, I got my car to start by pushing it. This has a similar meaning. We persuaded the car to start by pushing it.